Hello, just Dom here. Thought we'd do something different today and just do a little bit of a voiceover on this one. This is just a collection of clips from a visit to the beach we had recently. It was myself, my wife, my daughter and my granddaughter who went down to the beach. It was during the heat wave, so we let most of the heat of the day dissipate, and this was in the evening. The sun had gone over a bit. It was nice and golden, and we had a lovely few hours down there just playing in the sand and splashing in the water. Now for me, apart from this being a fantastic memory, I had a great time with the family. For me, this video points out the moment when I realised I already had the perfect camera after being wrapped up in gas and confusion over the new cameras that have been released. So on this I used the DJI Action 6 with ND16 filters, and once I had all my settings set, I just let the camera go. Didn't change a thing about it again, apart from when I filmed a couple of time lapses. But I would just pick it up, hit record, and we'd go and just play in the water, play in the sand, and just had a good time. And the reason it is the perfect camera for me is that I'm often out in bad weather, I'm often out in rain, and on this video I had no concerns whatsoever about getting the camera wet, dropping it in the water, sand affecting it or anything like that. Admittedly, if I had dropped it in the water, I would just have to rinse it off with some fresh water when I got home, or some bottled water we had with us. But yeah, this is the one that changed my mind about cameras and helped me start seeing them as tools. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the clips that I've put together here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Are you doing the next wave? Gonna hold my hand and jump on the next wave? Oh, you just jumped it. Whoa, good job, darling. Oh. Did that splash you? Yeah, good job, darling. Yeah, good job. What's that? Oh, you'll get freezing down there when the next wave comes. Do you need my hand yet? Yeah? You sure? Jump in. Good job, darling. Good job. Is there another one coming, do you think? Yeah, good job. Your butt was covered in sand there.
Right, come and go.
Right, okay, we'll go. What? What are you after, darling?
What if somebody tells us?
Tell us what off for. Nobody's going to tell us off, sweetheart. Eh? Nobody's going to tell us off. What? Just a minute. Ready?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going in. Come on then, let's go in. Let's go in. did good there. He's put the world to rights. Yes. Champion. Did I hear Becky say she's gone solo travelling? I'm coming. Why is it? Oh, really? Huh? Come on then. Which hand do you want? You want right. This one. Okay. We're in the water. Oh, ho, ho, ho. What are you doing jumping up and down, man? Oh my god. It's freezing. It's freezing. It's getting super deep there, isn't it? Yeah. Ooh, that's nice across the water. The way the sun's good. What? What? Right, okay. I thought I heard an engine there, like a boat engine. Must have been just a, do you think it's just a motorbike? Yeah? Well. Whoa. Right, stand still for a second. I'm just going to adjust this, okay? Stand still.
I don't want to.
You don't want to? Why? Because it's freezing. Whoa! That was cool, darling, wasn't it? Eh? Whoa. Right. Keep your hands up, don't touch the ground. Because your hands are wet, so they'll end up covered with sand. Oh, we need some beach shoes, really, don't we? Do you want my hand for walking up here? No. No? Wait, Mum's over there.
What?
Over there. My shorts are wet, what am I gonna do?
It's change.
Huh?
Like you said.
What if Mama thinks I weak myself? She won't. Right, we're back.
See, I told you I was going to get shifted again.
Something like what you found? Are you showing Mama? Let's see what it is then. Whoa, that's a nice one. I like that one. Is it freezing? Whoa, that's so cool.
Yeah.
That is so cool to see. Oh my god.